Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.2 from question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Here number 1, 12, 15 and 21. Number 2, 17, 23, 29. And number 3, 8, 9 and 25. Number 1, here we have to factorize 12, divide by 2 6 times, 2 3 times. So you can write 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, 15, 3 5 are 15. So you can write 3 into 5. Next 21, 3 7 are 21. So you can write 3 into 7. Now check which are common. So here 3 common. 3 is common and there is no common element. So HCF, therefore write down HCF equal to 3 and LCM 2 into 2. 3 write one time, 5 into 7. So multiply, you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 7s are 420. So this is the LCM. Next, here 17, 23 and 29. All are prime numbers, therefore HCF equal to 1 and LCM 17 into 23 into 29. So multiply 17 into 23 and 29. This is the answer. So multiply 17 into 23, you will get 3 7s are 21, 1 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. Next 2 7s are 14, 4 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So 3 9 1. Again multiply by 29. 3 9 1 multiply by 29. You will get 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 1, 8 carry, 9 3s are 27 and 8 35. Next 2 1s are 2 multiply by 2, 2 9s are 18, 8 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 7. So 9, 3, 3, 13, 3 1 carry, 7 and 3 plus 7 10 and 1 11. So 1 1 3 3 9. You will get 1 1 3 3 9. Next number 3 8. 8 you can write 2 into 4, 2 into 2. Therefore you can write 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Similarly 9 you can write 3 into 3. 25 you can write 5 into 5. There is no common element, that means only 1. So therefore HCF equal to 1 and LCM you can write 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8 into 9 into 25. 8 into 9 into 25. So 8 into 9 means 72 into 25. Multiply by 25. 25 2s are 50. 0. 5 carry. 7 25 jar. Or you can multiply in this way also. 72 into 25. 5 2s are 10. 0 1 carry. 7 5s are 35. 1 36. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 0 0 8 1 8 0 0 1 8 0 0. This is the LCM. So you can write the notes. Number 4, given HCF 306 657 equal to 9. Find the LCM of 306 and 657. So we know that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So write down solution. We have HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. So now put the values. HCF 9. You have to find LCM. Product of two numbers means 306 into 657. Or you can write LCM 306 657 by 9. Now divide by 9 or divide by, you can divide by 3 also. Here 3 3s are 9. Here 3102. Again divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. You can write 3 3s are 9. 1 to 12. 3 4s are 12. Now multiply 657 and 34. You can multiply now. 7 4s are 28. 8 to carry. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. 2 again to carry. 6 4s are 24 and 2 26. 3 7s are 21. 1 to carry. 3 5s are 15 and 2 16 17. 1 carry. 3 6s are 18 and 1 19. Now add 8 3 13 3 1 carry. 12 1 carry 3. 3 2 3 3 8. So answer is 3 2 3 3 8. Write down. Next, number 1. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So, for any number ending with 0, that means must be divisible by 5. Write down solution. We have 6 power n equal to, you can write 2 into 3 whole power n, or you can write 2 power n into 3 power n, where n is a natural number. Natural number. Now, here the prime factorization of 6 power n is 2 power n and 3 power n. That means the factors are power of the 2 and 3, which is not divisible by 5. Which is not divisible by 5. Write down, therefore, 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number. This is the fundamental principle of arithmetic, uniqueness of arithmetic. 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number n, because it is not divisible by 5. So I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.